Now question number 6. Take the data giving the minimum and maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of the chapter. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. Here, let us take the tabular form. Here in the tabular form, the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature of the cities were given. Now let's find the solution. Here let us take the sample of the bar graph. On x-axis, cities were taken. On y-axis, the temperatures were taken. Here the maximum temperature for Ahmedabad is 38 degrees centigrade. So locate the point between 35 and 40. We get the bar graph as follows. Here as we took the incremental of 5, so scale, that is 1 unit, is equals to 5 degrees centigrade temperature. Here the color dark blue indicates the maximum temperature and the light blue indicates the minimum temperature. Similarly, plot the bar graph for the cities. So we get the bar graph as follows. Now let us see the question for the first part. Which city has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date? Now let's see the tabular form. Let us take the difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date as 38 minus 29, which is equals to 9 degrees, and 37 minus 26, which is equals to 11 degrees. And similarly, we get as follows. Now the solution for the first part by referring the tabular form. Here Jammu has the largest difference in the minimum and maximum temperature on the given date. So the solution for this is, now moving to the second part of the question, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city. When we see the bar graph, here the length of the bar graph is maximum in the case of Jammu and the length of the bar graph is minimum in the case of Bangalore. So Jammu is the hottest city and Bangalore is the coldest city. Now moving to the question number 3. Name 2 cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Now when we see the tabular form, here the maximum temperature of Bangalore is 28 and the minimum temperature of the Ahmedabad and Jaipur are less than the maximum temperature of Bangalore. So solution for the third part is Bangalore and Jaipur are the 2 cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. Here we see in the tabular form, Bangalore and Ahmedabad are also the two cities where maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. So Bangalore and Ahmedabad. Now moving on to the question number 4. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. Now when we see the bar graph, here we find that Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. So the solution for the fourth part is Mumbai has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature.